Good day everyone, here is my debut video on bushcraft cooking, campfire cooking, whatever you want to call it, and what other better way to do it on a Saturday morning down in my local woods and setting up fire and cooking the Scottish breakfast, or fry up as we call it. A mini one here today, so here it is. Let's clear out this side. So folks, bacon. I know the Americans are going to say it ain't bacon. We do get crispy bacon here as well, but this is good old Danish smoked, thick cut back bacon. That's what's going on the pan. Keep this on. Along with very cheap Hall's mini breakfast pack, which contains 4 skinless pork sausages, 2 pork and beef loin, and 2 black pudding slices. This is square sausage here in Scotland. We do get square sausage. So feast your eyes on this. These little import bottles are great. Your olive oil, your sugar, your coffee. Better show you that side. Grease in there. So I think it's probably going to cook a bit longer. It should actually be done at a lower heat. As the square sausage, or any sausage for that matter. And there it is. Of course, wouldn't be complete without a couple of eggs. So that's starting to sizzle away now. A couple of links in there. Just try to watch for those flames. We don't want it too hot for the sausage. It's all going on this little plate that I found under the kitchen sink. I must have bought it at some time, can't remember. Cutlery. I'm really glad to be doing this. Comes a nice brown colour. I give it a little pierce. Make sure that heat's getting through it. I might have overdone it with a lot of the oil, but at the end another good hack is with heated oil. It cleans the pan if you don't have the water. Plus it'll help with the fire, I suppose, if we need it. Now, black pudding, still got the wrap on. I believe it's clotted blood. This is going to be a permanent area. I always come here, so don't worry about the things in the fire. Take care of it all. Yeah, there's all kinds of black pudding, but they say the best one is from Stornoway, way up in the Hebrides. I believe that's the Isle of Skye. Oh, I hope I get that right. But you definitely taste the difference even with black pudding, as simple as that is. Yeah, the square should be done a lot more slowly, but obviously you don't have temperature control. It's great out in the woods. You could probably control it a little bit better on the fire, I suppose. Maybe a little wait for action. Yeah, the flames are down a good bit now. Let's go with the bacon. This is a traditional Saturday, even Sunday breakfast here in Scotland. That's proper thick cut. It's squirting away actually. Just the difference with that flame kicking maybe. Let's bring it down a bit. Let's see how we do on the coals. Oh yeah, sizzle straight away. This is the life. Keep this up at the edge for heat. A bit on the oily side there. Let's see what we can do with these flames. It's certainly smoke baked now. The bonfire years ago was heated oil that got that started. I'm expecting the same there. Don't worry, I've got a big bottle of water. I'm going to enjoy the fire till it goes right down, and then take it apart as we always do safely. And this is a permanent area I come to. So it's good to do quick videos. I can actually smell that flavour coming off of the embers now after putting that oil in there. It's actually quite nice. Giving me an idea, but I want to risk it. Whoa, nearly. Hopefully it's warm enough. I like pudding doesn't take much. It's going to be proper smoked bacon. Let that drip into that fire. This is completely off script now. There's one last thing before I forget. Well, two things. I did have the beans, Heinz beans. I was just going to put that on the coals, let them bubble away. But I think I'm doing fine with what I'm eating, so I'm going to save this for the next one and get some eggs in here. Oh! Just leave that on top of the sausage. Ain't that going to be lovely to taste, even though it's stinging my eyes? It's burning lovely. You don't want it too oily with the eggs, it doesn't do anything for them. And this will be the best fry up I've had. It's the first I've ever actually used this portable egg. You take half a dozen. Just get them cracked in here. Time we get the rest of this on the plate, so it's been flavoured and hot enough. Out. Easy peasy. I think we're good to go. Over easy. That yolk's just running right through that bacon already. Yeah, there you go, that's what it should have done. Get the fire up. Let's not forget the plate. Like I say guys, it's the first time. It'll cool within a minute there. So we've got the grill off. Care about embers, it's fine. Let's just get a little bit of flames back to get in the zone, in the mood. Well folks, there's your bacon and egg, black pudding, square sausage and some light sausages. There's nothing good about it when it comes to us Scotsmen. We like to just get it down us. It's not the biggest and great flavours unless you really pay top dollar in a nice hotel, which I did a few weeks ago in Edinburgh. It really was a tasty fry-up, as we call it here. But it's good just to enjoy a gluttonous breakfast every weekend, and this is how we do it in Scotland. This is the mini Scottish breakfast. If we had to have the full Scottish, you could have as much of this stuff as you want. Other ingredients would include fried potato scone, the beans, I think the hash brown gets put in there, mushrooms, and even haggis, which is our specialty over here. And sometimes a haggis in breakfast packs like the one I had come like looking like the black pudding with what haggis slices. So this is my first cooking video coming to you from Scotland with a mini Scottish breakfast. Stay tuned for the full Scottish breakfast and many more like this to come. Bon appetit. I'll take back what I was saying about the flavour there. The black pudding's nice. That's so sick. It's all good. And it still wouldn't be complete without a good old fresh daily roll. There's no butter in this one, but it's nice and fluffy. Want one or two, put on what you want, go for it. Even add ketchup, brown sauce, barbecue sauce. That's how we do it. A bit of black pudding.